Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade the BMW M3 GTR. This iconic vehicle has a very unique upgrade path, unlike other cars in the game. You won't find traditional performance parts in the garage for it. Instead, its power and handling improvements are directly linked to your progress through the main story. Understanding this is key to maximizing its potential on the streets. As you defeat each blacklist rival, your M3 GTR automatically receives significant performance enhancements. These aren't upgrades you purchase. They are earned through your victories. Each win against a blacklist member pushes your car to a higher performance tier, making it faster and more agile. There are 15 blacklist rivals in total, each contributing to your car's growing power. When it comes to visual customization, the M3 GTR is quite restricted. You cannot alter its distinctive blue and white paint scheme, which is a hallmark of its identity. Unlike other vehicles, you won't be able to swap out body kits, spoilers, or even change the rims. The car maintains its legendary appearance from start to finish, preserving its unique status. To truly master the M3 GTR, focus on your driving skills. The car reaches its maximum performance capabilities by the time you face the final blacklist rival. Strategic use of nitrous, precise cornering, and maintaining high speeds are essential. There are no further performance upgrades to unlock after completing the story, so your skill behind the wheel becomes the ultimate advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.